Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. It is Wednesday. I just got off of work not too long ago. I also did my workout, so if y'all see me in my workout clothes, you know what's up. But today I'm going to make chicken Parmesan. So here I have my marinara sauce. Right here, in this here I have Parmesan, salt, pepper, and parsley. You can add, just eyeball it. So basically you want to use maybe about half a cup of Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of parsley, salt, and pepper. I have about 3 eggs. And also have Italian breadcrumbs. You know what? This is my Italian breadcrumbs. This is my this is my Parmesan. Salt, pepper, and parsley. They look alike. Look. See, they look alike. So it's easy to get it confused. It don't matter. Okay.
As long as you know when you're cooking it.
Exactly. That's right. Okay. Also have my chicken breast. And this chicken breast, I split it in 2 because I butterflied them. Cut them apart because they were really thick. And I don't want them real thick if I'm making chicken Parmesan. So what I'm going to do is dip my chicken. And we will get started. Okay guys, I forgot to tell y'all that you need some flour too. And what I did, I added my breadcrumbs, my parsley, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper into one bowl. Just mix it all together in one bowl. Flour and about 4 eggs. So what you want to do is take, you want to take your chicken and you want to dip it in the flour on each side. Just dip it. Then you want to dip it in the egg on each side. Okay? I'm going to use my tongs. I don't like that egg slimy feel. Then you want to take this and dip it in your mixture. Just like that, and mix it up real good. Okay, let that sit just for a second. See if my grease is hot enough. Almost. Okay, so let's take another one. Dip in flour, egg, and then your breadcrumb mixture. And just coat it real good. And I also have some olive oil in Leroy. I got olive oil. So you want to put these in in the skillet and brown it for maybe about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Until golden brown. Let's go ahead and get some more started here. Dip it in your egg. Place that right in here too. Run for one more in there. You guys, this is really easy to make too. Simple meal for a Wednesday. Cook that real good. All right. We'll go ahead and let that cook for a little bit and we'll be back. Okay, you guys. So it's cooked on one side for about 3 minutes. Already smells so good. that cooks, what you want to do is place this, I have about a cup of marinara sauce, spread it in the bottom of my pan. I'm going to place them on top of them once I take them out. It's just going to cook till golden brown, or a little bit more than golden brown. Smells good, don't it? And the honey just got off work too. So hey, babe.
Hello. What we eating, squad? That's me shaking the camera, y'all. I came in on a bad shot trying to fix it for us.
Oh, thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Kind of hard doing it myself. You understand? Okay. Next spaghetti. So I'm just gonna place on top. Alright, so I have the chicken browned on each side, and I placed them in my baking dish on top of the marinara sauce. So now what you want to do, hey, what happened to your shirt, man? My little one. Place the marinara sauce on top of each piece of chicken. Yeah. You can add as little or as much as you want. And after you do that, what you want to do is add mozzarella cheese on top. I already had some open, so I'll show you the remaining of the ones. Place it on top of there. And I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I like a lot of cheese, y'all. I don't know if y'all do, but I do. Okay. So you're going to place this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to also have one over here too that I didn't have enough room for, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit on top over here. Can't forget about this one. It's about to be my husband. This is a big one. Just add some cheese on top of that. Okay. And place in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, y'all. So the chicken Parmesan is out of the oven. It cooked for about 25 minutes. And all I'm going to do is just sprinkle a little parsley over it. That looks so good. It smells good too. All right. And there you have it. All right, y'all. So like I said, the chicken Parmesan is done. And all I did was make some spaghetti noodles, put a little marinara sauce on top of it. Place the Parmesan on the bed of the noodles and garlic bread. And there you have it. Easy meal for Wednesday. All right. Thank you guys. Subscribe, like, and until next time.